What is good, YouTube? So we're back with another video. Today is on my cousin's 2015 Mustang GT. So what we're doing is we're putting a front splitter on from Liquivinyl. It's a gt500 one, the V2 option, I believe. Comes with upgraded splitter rods and all that cool stuff. It's not too bad. It's basically just taking out the front bumper, lining everything up, making sure the splitter rods are completely straight, because that would totally bug me 100%. And the one thing which is crucial for this thing that we're going to be doing is those front clips up front. So if you own a Mustang 2015 to basically the S550 model, if you own all them, these front clips are very crucial. You do not want to break them. But one thing you guys really don't know about the front clips is there's a tiniest little screw that goes in. Let me show you. It's right here, actually. It goes right here. And it goes right in over here somewhere. See what that hole is? I'm not sure if you can see on camera, but right there. And most people don't know about that screw. So they just go over there, take all the bolts off over here, and they just yank on the thing and end up breaking this piece over here. His looks like it's a little broken already, but over here is good. I took off this side. He took off that side. So there you go. Tells you exactly what happens. But yeah, besides that, those clips are crucial. This one's still in good shape, so that's fine. But most people just go and they yank it off, and your bumper is basically trash at that point, because it's basically unfixable besides quick releases. But I'm not a fan of how quick releases look, so I kind of like sticking with the factory sleek look. It looks great, nothing broken, and you're in business. But yeah, so let's get into this. So after you open it, it does come with all this hardware. I think we're gonna go a different route. I used on my last bumper self-tappers. I mean, I wouldn't recommend it, but I did it that way, and it lasted the whole time I had the front splitter on. I sold it to my buddy after I got a new one, and he did the same exact thing, and it works perfectly fine. But this is the hardware they give you. I mean, you're supposed to drill holes out for all of it, and then it goes right in, because this comes with no holes at all on it, as you can see. No holes. I'm pretty sure it needs the belly pan too, which we don't have, but we're going to improvise. We're going to get it done, and it's going to get done good to where it's not going to come off. So after you do all that with the hardware, if you choose that way, put it all on. You basically take the bumper off. We lined up the rods first, as you can see. Lined it up over there. It's marked out over there. And then we went to this side, drilled the holes through both sides, put this on, made it nice and tight. I did this first before I lined up the bottom. And then so you're gonna need a drill. What else? Let's see. Yeah, I mean, that's basically the steps we're up to right now. Next, we're gonna get to mounting these rods on first. I think that's the best bet, is doing the rods first right off the rip, and then going to the next step, which is putting all the self-tappers into the bumper from the splitter. All right, so let's give you guys the full look of what it looks like right now. Not fully complete, but as what it looks like right now. They're not lined up fully yet, so don't mind that. But off topic, if you don't follow my cousin on Instagram, YouTube, or anything like that, here's his @OneBagCoyote. I'm One Mean Coyote, and he's One Bag Coyote. So give him a follow. Shout out to him. He actually just bought my old wheels, my old setup that was on my cars. You can see it's right down there. It's in the street, man. It's getting neglected because, you know, he wanted to put his hunk of junk in here. Nah, I'm just playing with you. But it's coming along. It's coming along for sure. It's looking super clean. This setup, I absolutely love this setup. This is my old setup, and I still do love it to this day. This is probably the best setup I've had, and only setup I've had on the Mustang. I don't think I would go any other setup. But it does stick out. It's that aggressive stance. It really pulls the car together. It makes it look aggressive and much wider. So I like that for sure. Next is front wheels for him, so he's going to be getting those next. But yeah, we're just going to get this splitter on and yeah, see how it looks when it's on. All right, so Captain Mr. Over-tighten everything made a little mistake. And here's the mistake he made. Yeah, not really a little mistake, kind of big. You can't really see it, but there it is. He broke it. He over-tightened it and broke it. So now we're going to try to come up with some crazy idea to still somehow make this work. We'll figure it out. Don't worry, we'll figure it out. But yeah, he couldn't just make it easy for me. He sees me sweating out here.
I'm sweating too.
He wants me to die. I mean, I understand. It is what it is, but we'll get it done. Don't worry, guys. You'll see the final product, and this will be on. I promise you that. All right. With that being said, now that we're pretty much dead from the heat, like I said, he actually came up with kind of a good idea. So we tried it out, and it actually worked. So what we did was, since he snapped the top of that, we drilled a hole through the splitter rod up top over here where it snapped out, and just put a screw through the top of it. So that's how it looks right now. That's just a screw.
It's temporary.
That's how it should look. It's temporary until he gets a new knuckle for it.
I'm gonna order another one.
Yeah, but
should be here probably next week.
Cool. All right, well, this is what we're up to now. So let's see if it's a success story or not. All right. This is what the car looks like sitting like this. The bumper is on. All the bolts aren't on yet. It's literally just on right now. Still needs to be tightened up. We still need to put more screws in the bottom of the splitter. But, I mean, it's looking good. I mean, look at it. It's sitting mean right now. Definitely was a must. Like I said, shout out Liquivinyl.
Over-tightened too much.
There's the bully. He snapped. It's,
but I had a good idea. So there was just enough thread left. So we took a drill. We drilled a hole through the center, and just for now.
I already told him in the last clip.
Oh, did you?
Save yourself the air, man.
I thought that was for Instagram.
But like I said, it's sitting pretty good right now. I mean, look at it. It sits nice. The splitter is a must. Shout out Liquivinyl again.
Yes.
Let's get this thing buttoned up and finish up this video. Alright, so the bumper's on. Front splitter's looking good. Sorry about the glare from the sun. I'm trying to block it. There it is. The bumper's on. Splitter's looking good. It's on nice and tight. You're looking golden. It's looking way better. I'm trying to get away from the sun right now. There it is. We got another Mustang right there. That's my neighbor. But as you can see, looking super clean. He's got Borla attack on this car, if you guys are wondering, the setup with what kind of headers, I don't remember. I think it's I want to say BBK or something like that. But here, he's coming back right now. So you guys get a better look. He needs front wheels, so don't worry about that. It's coming really soon. But damn, it's looking clean. Hella clean. Let's get a better look at that front bumper. Look at the front splitter on. Way better. That was needed. That was a big must. Look at that.
Oh yeah, it looks way better.
It's looking super mean. You got this beast right here too. We got all the cars out today. I'll show you guys both the front ends. I actually just fixed mine too. The what's it called? The splitter rods on mine actually came off, so I fixed them up. I used both the stangs. Looking clean, but yeah, we're gonna wrap this video up. It was basically just on the splitter install. Shout out Liquivinyl again. Look them up on Instagram. Check out their stuff. They got some really cool stuff, so definitely don't miss out on their stuff. Shoot them a DM, anything like that. But what do you got to say?
It was a day. She looks beautiful.
What a day. Just for a front splitter, it turned into a nightmare. But
I mean, we've been pushing this off for what, like 3 weeks?
Yep, we have been pushing this off for
I haven't been home, so.
a long time. He hasn't been home, but
give me a check out.
Check them out. You already know what it is. Catch us on all the videos. And
Deuces.
Stay tuned.